Okay, we're going to do an article on science. A funny, unusual article on aging. I'm just going to go ahead and read. So, scientists may have discovered the key to reversing aging by Eileen Shim. This new finding sounds like it's straight out of a vampire movie. Scientists have discovered the secret to maintaining youth and health, and it's receiving fresh young blood. On Sunday, 3 separate studies came out with evidence that blood infusions can rejuvenate the human body and reverse effects of aging in the brain, muscles, heart, and other organs. So far, experiments have only been conducted on mice, but researchers strongly believe that a similar therapy will work on humans. The evidence is strong enough now in multiple tissues that it's warranted to try and apply this in humans, said Saul Villeda, a leading author of one of the studies. There's something about young blood that can literally reverse the impairments you see in the older brain. How it works. To test their theory, researchers at University of California, San Francisco, and Harvard University tried 2 different methods, conjoining old and young mice together and injecting plasma from the young into the old. Both methods had a startling effect on old mice, with a noticeable reversal of age-related damage in the mice's brains. The UCSF study linked the de-aging effect to a protein called CREB, which is bolstered by young plasma. The protein works as a regulator in the brain and helps to create neural connections, which improves cognitive function, as demonstrated by the increased ease with which old mice navigated mazes and avoided threats after being injected with young blood. But the Harvard group also found that a protein called GDF11 may play a key role in improving mice health. The presence of GDF11 in the injected blood revived the old mice's stem cells, creating new tissue, improving cell health, and increasing grip and endurance, and a sense of smell. A second Harvard study directly injected GDF11 into old mice and found that it restored protein to youthful levels. And that's good news for humans. The protein is identical in mice and humans, and is also present in the bloodstream in humans, said Amy Ragers, a senior author on both Harvard papers. Our preliminary analysis suggests that it is similarly downregulated with age, so we think its effects are likely to translate. Okay, I need to adjust something here. I don't know what happened, but I want to make this bigger so you can see it better. Let's see here. That's good enough. Okay, let's continue. What this means. The UCSF Harvard researchers hope to try human clinical trials in 3 to 5 years. If they can replicate the same level of success as they did with mice, it may become the biggest medical breakthrough to come in years. As previous research has shown, the effects of aging can be mainly attributed to the exhaustion of stem cells and telomere damage. Oh. What happened? Okay. Where are we at here? Excuse me. Okay, so this article is not an endorsement of bathing in the blood of virgins, but these age-old myths now have a scientific basis. And it seems that the elusive fountain of youth may have been with us all along, inside our own bodies. Here's some matching ideas to vocabulary. And I said matching ideas because you'll probably see in the dictionary that the meanings look a little different. Well, that's because we don't use that's because the dictionary usage of words doesn't include the general ideas. So I try to, I believe that if you want to increase your reading competency, you need to think more in general terms than in specific terms. In other words, don't look up every word in your dictionary because that will take forever. If you can get the general essence of the word, it will increase and you let that go, you can increase your vocabulary and your reading comprehension tremendously. The other note I'd like to add is don't study English with your language English dictionary. Okay? Have that handy if you need it, but try to use an English dictionary as you're studying. That is a big and important thing. There are lots of English language learning dictionaries out there. The most popular one is the Oxford, or what's it? I think it's Oxford ESL dictionary. I can put the note down below and for your information. Matter of fact, I can just look it up right here if you don't mind. Oh, it's Longman. That's it. Longman Dictionary. Okay, this is the book. This is the dictionary here. That's different. Let's see here. Let me go to views so you can. Man, that's not it. You go to images. Okay, this is the book. It's a fantastic dictionary for people who are learning English. Okay, don't go out and get Webster's, academic English dictionary, or the other ones that are made for Americans, because it'll just make you more confused. Use these dictionaries like Longman because it breaks down the terms and the vocabulary in really simple ideas. So I highly recommend this. I highly recommend don't depend on your language English dictionary, because that is going to slow down your progress tremendously. You have to relax and try to understand the general ideas. If you're more confused, or if you're confused about a word, by all means, use your dictionary, your language English dictionary, or whatever you need to do to understand it. But as a general rule, this dictionary will save you and help you tremendously. Here's some vocabulary from the article, and I'm going to put this audio on my website. So just go to Monkey Sees and you shall see. Matter of fact, I can show you if you want. I'm having a lot of fun here. I hope you're having fun. Monkey Sees. So I have articles, and then I have the listening. You can read the article, and you can listen to me read the article. Here's another article from Harvard Business Review. Okay, I read the article, and here's where I read the article. And I try to read slow so that you can follow along and feel the satisfaction of understanding pretty high level magazines. There's another one, Harvard Business Review, 2 different listening. Now this article, I'm not sure what this is, but I'll get to that. Anyway, monkeysees.com, and I'm going to upload those. I'm going to upload this audio of this article for you. Okay, take care. I hope you come back. Thanks. Bye. What, did I say bye? Oh boy, find it now. Where's QuickTime? There's QuickTime. Okay. All righty. See you later. Did I stop it? Oh, there it is.